Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a Zoom meeting to Google Calendar in 2025. This will help you stay organized and ensure your participants never miss a meeting. Let's get started. First, go to zoom.us and sign into your account. Once logged in, click on My Account, then find and click Schedule a Meeting. Now you can enter here your meeting details, including the topic, date, time, and any additional settings you need. Once everything is set, scroll down and click Save at the bottom. After saving, you'll see a different calendar options. Click on Add to Google Calendar. This will open Google Calendar in a new tab. In Google Calendar, the Zoom meeting details will automatically be added. Here you can adjust the date, time, and event, set reminders to notify you before the meeting starts. To invite participants, enter their email addresses in the guest section. This way, they'll receive a Google Calendar invite with a Zoom link included. Once everything looks good, click Save. And now they'll have the Zoom link and meeting details added to their calendars. And that's it. You've successfully added a Zoom meeting to Google Calendar. Now you and your participants will never miss a meeting. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching!